Tracking showers for your 4th. Fox 8 News at 6 starts right now. Dry tonight, so if you have any evening plans, no problem. And we're looking dry tomorrow too. Now the 4th starting to change a little bit, so we're going to fine tune that forecast as it nears. But right now I had to up the rain chances a little bit for the 4th of July. Looks like the system is moving a little more to the north, which will bring in the rain by the afternoon on the 4th. So upper 80s in the 8-day. Jennifer. Unfortunately, it looks like it's sneaking back into the forecast, that coming up.
I think I could do it.
I wouldn't do it on a windy day. So they had some perfect conditions for going over the edge, for sure.
Not too hot, that's for sure.
No, and some of us like the heat. It will be back, don't worry. But this weekend, unseasonably cool, and I am tracking showers now for the 4th of July. We're going to continue to fine-tune that forecast as it nears, but this little pesky low along the Ohio River Valley looks like it's moving north. We did see some clouds earlier. Still seeing a few high clouds out there and some breaks of sunshine at time. We're reporting a mainly sunny to partly sunny sky depending on where you're at this afternoon. Temperatures though, that's the talker. You step outside, it's very comfortable, very nice. Temperatures in the low 70s. Right from Cleveland to Lorain, 70 degrees, Akron, Canton, and over into Worcester. So a very comfortable evening, but very unseasonably cool here. Now, let's take a look at temperatures across the region. We are seeing cooler temperatures out to the west of us in the 60s. This is where the rain is at the moment. And this system diving to the south and east along the Ohio River Valley over the next 24 hours. But unfortunately, it's going to pool to the north as we head towards the 4th of July. So where's that system right now? Again, just to the west of us, you can see the rain here in portions of Illinois, Indiana, moving right along the Ohio River Valley. So the Buckeye State, we are dry. We will be dry for the remainder of the night tonight. So we have firework forecast, which by the way, I do have that forecast coming up for you in the next half hour. We have several areas who are seeing some fireworks tonight, and it looks like it's going to be a spectacular night. You definitely might want to bring along a light jacket or maybe a sweatshirt because it is going to be cooling down once that sun goes down at dusk. 54 degrees tonight, mainly clear, cool, comfy, winds light and variable. Thinking about doing some boating this weekend. Well, water temperature is not bad, a little on the cool side though. We're in the low 70s from Toledo to Cleveland. Onshore winds 10 knots. And then eventually turning more light as we head into tomorrow. Winds out of the south less than 10 knots, a foot or less. So perfect boating, perfect fishing, perfect tubing weather tomorrow afternoon. Now we will see a mix of sun and clouds through the afternoon. A touch warmer. We'll be out of the low and mid 70s. We're back into the mid and upper 70s. Winds will be light and variable. Here's a look at Sunday night, because Sunday not tracking any rain whatsoever. So I want to start the clock here at 11 o'clock Sunday and take you into the 4th of July, because that's when we're really seeing these big plans going on across northeast Ohio. We'll start off the day with some sunshine. Clouds will be creeping in though from the south and west, and then eventually some rain will start. Even some rumbles of thunder down towards Mansfield, southwestern communities right along 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Getting in the greater Cleveland area around 4 o'clock, and then as we head towards 7, 8, 9 o'clock towards dusk, looks like we'll be wrapping things up, and looks like we will get some fireworks out there. Might have a little more in the way of clouds though than we will tonight and into tomorrow. Now here's a look at your 8-day forecast. We're back into the mid-70s on the 4th of July, so temperatures still remain unseasonably cool, but look at this heat that's building in following the holiday weekend. Lots of sunshine Wednesday, back into the mid-80s. Thursday, mid-80s as well. Scattered showers and thunderstorms. When the heat and humidity returns, you know you get those pop-ups, and that's what we're going to get at the end of next week.
Can't believe how cool it is out there. Went to a barbecue yesterday in shorts and a tank top and had to switch into jeans and a sweater by the evening. It was pretty chilly out there.
It's a great night to have bonfires though. I mean,
perfect night for a bonfire.
You don't want to really
Perfect
sweat
weekend
when you're roasting those s'mores, right?
Absolutely not. Thank you, Jen.
A little bit on the cooler side per se. I mean, temperature is very comfortable. We're in the 70s. It's not like the 80s though. We should be at 82 degrees. That's our average high for 4th of July weekend. Here's a look at your 12-hour forecast, because I know we have a lot of evening plans. Some of us headed out to fireworks tonight, which I do have some of those firework forecasts coming up for you. But temperatures, right as that sun goes down at 9:04, we're at 66 degrees, and we're going to drop from there. At 11 o'clock, we're at 60. Great night for a bonfire, but take a look at this. this. We're dropping into the 50s, low 50s. So it's going to be a very cool, comfortable night. I hope you had your windows open all weekend long so far, because give that little AC a break. Next week, we're looking at temperatures back into the upper 80s at times. We do have some high clouds streaming in across northeast Ohio. No big deal here. So those who have fireworks this evening should go off without a hitch. Here's a look at your radar. Storm Fox, nothing in the Buckeye State, but we do have showers, even some thunderstorms out in portions of Indiana, Illinois, stretching all the way back towards Kansas City. This is moving south and east, so it will move along the Ohio River Valley through the day tomorrow. So we might notice some clouds increasing in our southern communities. However, as this as this low continues to push to the east, it will start to move more to the north. So I am forecasting some showers on 4th of July itself. In fact, let's check this here on Future View. I'm starting the clock Sunday at 11 o'clock at night. The reason why I'm starting at this time is because Sunday looking great. No rain here. 4th of July starting off the day with some high clouds thickening up through the afternoon hours. Mansfield at noon, you might have a shower or two. The threat moves in around 5 o'clock, greater Cleveland, Akron 77. But look at this, by 9 o'clock, maybe a spot shower or two, but things really starting to wrap up. So hopefully we'll have dry fireworks. Here's a look at your evening forecast down to 70 degrees at 9 o'clock. Firework forecast looks like this. We have them going off in Brunswick, Chardon, Elyria, Hudson, and Mayfield. Mainly clear temperatures, mainly in the mid and upper 60s right around dusk. So for tonight, 54, cool and comfortable, light and variable winds. Tomorrow, mix of sun and clouds, 79. And here's a look at your 8-day forecast. Mid 70s. Fortunately, more in the way of clouds and sunshine on 4th of July itself. 75 degrees with a 40% chance of rain. Not going to be a washout, but we'll continue to fine-tune that forecast for you. Temperatures mid and upper 80s, so we're warming up end of the week. And with the heat and humidity, showers and storms back in the forecast. Jennifer.
Okay, thanks, Jen.
Dipping down into the 60s right around dusk, but beauty surrounding me. I mean, take a look at these shots behind me. It was an absolutely stunning sunset this evening. Thank you so much for sharing these shots. John, you sent this one in to me. Beautiful, beautiful pink color here, and I want to show you one more shot before I move on to the forecast. How about this one? Corianne caught it. Absolutely gorgeous, and hopefully we'll get to see more of these gorgeous sunsets through the holiday weekend. Now, as we take you through the next 12 hours here, it's very cool but very comfortable. Keep your windows open, fan on, fresh air in, temperatures in the upper 50s through much of the night tonight. Then we dip down just before sunrise into the low 50s for some of us, but don't worry, we're sneak back up to right around 72 degrees just before noon, and temperatures warming up a little bit more than what they were today. Now, as far as rain goes, you notice a big plume of rain from Kansas City all the way down towards the Ohio River Valley. Note how it's moving to east-southeast, so this continue through the day. We could have a few high thin clouds with it. Otherwise, the rain will stay away thanks to this area of high pressure and a lot of dry air in place. This area of low pressure, though, will move along the Ohio River Valley, and as it gets closer to us, we do run the risk in our southern communities on the 4th of July itself to maybe see a shower or two. I'll track it on Future View here for you. 7 o'clock, 4th of July. Starting off in the morning, we'll see more in the way of clouds and sunshine, a mix of sun and clouds in the afternoon, and then that risk of a shower or two comes afternoon, mainly after 2 o'clock. Southern communities, about a 20% chance along the lake shore, 40% chance for our southern areas, and it should be out of here by the time the fireworks at dusk. 79 degrees tomorrow, filtered sunshine, just a touch warmer from today. Winds light and variable. I'll have that boating forecast for you coming up in the next half hour. 4th of July itself, we do have temperatures in the mid upper 70s. Again, about a 30% chance of a shower or two, less as you head north, more as you head south. Tuesday, slight chance of a shower, and if you're a fan of the summer heat, you want it back. We're back in the mid and upper 80s towards the end of the week. The humidity up as well, and our rain chances. I know a lot of our lawns would like a good thunderstorm to pass over it to give it a good soaking, Jennifer. Cloud cover at that point.
Okay.
It will be dry, though, at Edgewater, so I'm expecting a dry fireworks finale for Edgewater and for most of the folks in Northeast Ohio. Really, we're going to have some great fireworks. Hey, did you know that low humidity causes vibrant colors in the fireworks?
Really?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the higher humidity tends to mute it out a
that
little
makes
bit.
Sense.
So
makes sense.
Very spectacular fireworks across Northeast Ohio, and Mother Nature giving her own little firework too. I mean, take a look at this beautiful sunset shot in Put-in Bay. I mean, folks took pictures of a lot of sunset shots this evening and lots of vibrant colors. It was absolutely gorgeous. Now, way to wrap up a day. I mean, we hit 76 this afternoon, a little bit below our average of 82. And how about these cooler, comfortable nights? 56 degrees the low this morning. We're headed to 54 tonight, so it's going to be another cool night. Very comfortable though. Go ahead, open up your windows. Light and variable winds, and we're staying mainly in the low and mid 50s before we get to 9 o'clock. We're headed back into the mid and upper 60s. So very nice night, nice sleeping weather tonight. Here's what's going on though. We do have some high clouds streaming in thanks to the system off to the west of us, the thicker clouds off in Kansas City, and that's where the rain is and thunderstorms. We are storm and rain free across the Buckeye State, but with the exception of the Ohio River Valley, we did have a few showers moving in towards Cincinnati, headed into West Virginia right now. But the bulk of the system is in Kansas City right now, and this area of low pressure will eventually move along the Ohio River Valley into the Buckeye State, and some of us could get some rain for the 4th of July. I'll time it out for you on Future View in just a second. But high pressure holding strong. It's keeping us dry, keeping the rain away. A mix of sun and clouds tomorrow. No chance of rain for us. The bulk of the rain will be down towards Cincinnati, over into Indianapolis, and then as you head towards Illinois. But like I said, this low is going to be pulling to the east, and as it moves in our direction, some rain will start to stream in as we head into your 4th of July, mainly during the afternoon. So I want to time it out here. Starting the clock Sunday night at 11 o'clock, we will likely see just a few high clouds starting off Monday morning, 4th of July. No problems with the exception of some higher clouds. A mix of sun and clouds through the afternoon. We're looking dry at this point. 1, 2, 3 o'clock, it's after that time frame that we could see a few showers popping up, mainly in our southern communities. Lakeshore communities, I'm saying about a 20% chance. So please don't cancel any plans. Just keep your Fox 8 weather app handy, because some of these showers and thunderstorms will be popping up, about a 40% chance in the southern areas, and it'll be gone by the fireworks. So not a problem there. The only problem, just a little bit of cloud cover. Wave heights, foot or less tomorrow out on our waters. Water temperature 73 degrees on Lake Erie, so not bad for our boaters and anglers. Tomorrow 73, filtered sunshine, light and variable winds. Here's a look at your 8-day forecast. I'm telling you, it's just a stellar 4th of July weekend. What did you say? 77 degrees on the 4th itself, about a 20 to 40% chance depending on where you are. The lesser shot along the lakeshore in the south, that's where you have about a 40% chance of rain. And again, mainly between 2 and 8 o'clock. Tuesday, slight chance of a shower. Things really start to warm up though as we head middle to end of the week. We're back into the mid and upper 80s, some of us even pushing 90 degrees. The humidity returning too, so with that we'll see some pop-up showers and thunderstorms Thursday and Friday, and then again late in the day on Sunday. But you know, our lawn's screaming, please, please, please give us a good dose of rain, and hopefully you'll get that in your backyard this week.
Let's wait till after the holiday weekend.
Exactly, wait until after the barbecues and the fireworks.
Thanks, Jen. Well, no one matched